Shukla, thank you so much for joining us on the program. Explain to us exactly how much appetite there is for EVs in India.
Well, electric vehicles at the moment are still a small part of the automobile industry here. Just about 1.3% of all cars sold are electric cars. But the market is more focused on the electric two-wheeler segment. But then there is a growing demand, especially amongst the burgeoning middle class. There is higher spending power and more people want to move and are being concerned about climate and want to move to electric vehicles. Large part of cars are now hybrid that run on both fossil fuels and electric vehicles, but there is growing demand for fully electric vehicles as well, and the government also wants to increase the share of electric vehicles in the overall automobile sales to about 30% by 2030. So there certainly is a market for companies like Tesla and the others to come and have sales in India, especially at a time when other Western geographies are seeing a slower economy.
Archana, Elon Musk has had his eye on building a plant in India. Where do those discussions land?
Well, there seems to be an eagerness on both the Tesla as well as the Indian government side to pursue a deal after Musk met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the United States in June. And we understand from reports that talks are progressing faster. Musk initially intends to, reports say that wants to set up a manufacturing facility, a battery manufacturing unit in India to start with. Plans eventually could go up to manufacturing and full electric vehicle here in India. But at the moment, the discussion somewhere stands around starting with increased component sourcing and building a battery manufacturing unit in India. And talks are progressing on that part. Remember, Musk has been wanting to enter, bring Tesla cars into India since 2021, but higher import duties on imported cars, which range from 70 to 100% in certain cases, to support local industry, has been a deterrent for Tesla. But there has been a changed stance by Tesla also over the last 1 year, where they have been looking to move some of their manufacturing to countries like India. They want to diversify out of China, and they're looking at the Indian market. And the Indian government has been very clear that they could look at concessional import duties only for companies that want to locally manufacture eventually in India. And that's why the trade minister's visit to Tesla factory now also assumes significance.
Archana Shukla, thank you very much for